I'm trying to figure out exactly what's going on. The only thing I know for sure is somebody's in trouble. We set up out here, and these guys were already here arguing on the dock. And whatever it is, these jet skiers and the law enforcement officers are not seeing eye to eye on something for sure. You can definitely tell by the hand signals. The audio, I can't make it out. It's just the furthest dock away from us. I have a feeling, if I had to guess, these are rental jet skis of some kind, and something's not legit about the setup. I'm not 100% sure on the laws in South Florida, what all is required for them to run a jet ski rental operation. I have a feeling that's what's going on, though, is that these people you see on the skis here are possible renters, and that something with the paperwork is not what it's supposed to be for an operation like this. I'm just guessing. Once again, I could be very wrong. I didn't see them come in hot. I didn't see them do anything too crazy, so it just had to be a random check, and just that random check generated something that they don't like. But it looks like whatever it is not getting resolved here. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting 79th, and let's hope the rest of our guys have a better day than this crew starting off with. And here we go, we got us a drifter leaving off the dock, and Wifey's in the bow trying to give the push off. I guess hubby forgot when he left to remind Wifey not to leave him, and they're going to try and pull this one back over, but it looks like they're going to reverse it. And Wifey's got the line in the bow. She's switching the sides. Well, we're going to point this boat the other way. Try and reverse the angle. And you can tell the tide's a little low, so we've got some low tide struggles today. It makes things a little more difficult for everybody, even some of the boaters. The jet skiers are the ones we typically have see real troubles here. They have a tough time just getting back onto the dock. But you can see here, they're trying to even kick this boat off, and it's... Oh, look at it, struggling to get down there. But able to get down that lower level. But the vertically challenged can have a tough time here at the dock when it's low tide. There we go. Hikes it back up. And this crew will get this one tied up this time. If you're a boater, this is one of your favorite people you see down at the ramp, the old boat ramp mechanic. I mean, just call Larry, he'll fix her up for you. But, man, in all realness, I hate it when I see this. These guys are down here trying to make a repair at the ramp. It happens. We take our boat down there, something goes wrong, and we still want to get out on the water. But, I mean, you're blocking a whole ramp during the time while you're trying to fix this. I mean, if you got to do it, bro, and it's going to take more than a minute, put it back on the trailer, fix it up, and then relaunch. I know, not a popular sentiment. Somebody's going to try and blow me up in the comments for it. But, guys, seriously, don't be the boat ramp mechanic. And here's exactly why you don't do this. We're almost 10 minutes into this guy trying to get this thing running right. They got the engine fired, and something else still isn't going their way. Now you can see there's a boat in front of them trying to launch. Here comes old security to let them know, like, bro, what are you doing? Move this thing. And the crew in front's like, the same thing. Now they're just stuck on the ramp. Yes, they chose to back down that ramp, but it's a busy day. I mean, there's a lot going on down here. And they're trying to back up further. But there's nowhere to take this thing off. She's telling him to stop on the dock. The girl's like, stop, bro. You're not getting this thing off. And our crew's coming in on approach. Gonna be interesting to see this one. So this little Boston Whaler is a pretty low freeboard boat. And as we've already mentioned, it is low tide. There's going to be a big gap trying to get out of this boat and get onto the dock. Wifey grabs on. You can see the dock is shoulder level with her. You're definitely not just stepping onto this dock. Oh, she's going to go. Climb up. Go for the leap. Push it up, sweetie. You got it. Hubby gives her the little hand, and she'll make it up from there. The tide's really low today, but it's always interesting when I see these low tides. So many people struggle getting on and off the vessels. Here goes our crew making their way out. Beautiful boat. And here was our jet boat that got drifted off earlier, and it looks like we got somebody who's trying to sneak around them. They're not happy with how long it's took our jet boat crew to get ready, and our guys are tired of waiting. So they've got the kickoff. And even though I'm bashing boat ramp mechanic, this is the same deal. If you tie off on these docks, bro, be ready to go. Or moderately ready to go. These guys have been here for a while now. And our crew's doing everything they can to try and not play ping pong off all the boats as they make their way out. And the good move on their part was, if you're going to hug one, yeah, hug the one that's keeping you blocked in. In other words, at least if there's going to be something that goes wrong and you're going to accidentally nudge somebody's boat, it's at least the person whose fault it is that you're having to do this. So, but they're able to get out of there, and our guy's going to be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.